Hello, my name is Ian. Today we're going to read something called Bird and Squirrel. Bird and Squirrel on Ice. Let's get started. Bird and Squirrel on Ice. Somewhere high above the South Pole. I don't like this. It's cold, and I'm pretty sure we're lost. Don't be ridiculous. I know exactly where we are. My bird senses are never wrong. Slam! My bird senses are telling me we hit a mountain. Crack! What was that? I think we broke the mountain. Avalanche! This is birdtastic. We're riding an avalanche. I don't like avalanches. Look, Squirrel, we're going backward. I don't like going backward. Have it upside down. No! One-footed? Definitely not. Just please let me know when it's over. It's over. Did we make it? It's too soon to tell. Another perfect landing. How was that a perfect landing? Any landing is where you walk away. It's a perfect landing in my book. Who's in there? Show yourself. Did you hear something besides myself talking? Poke. Gah! Something bit me! Huh? Don't worry, he does that a lot. Who are you? Whoa, take it easy. I'm Bird. And my frantic friend is Squirrel. I'm dying! Why me? Why? Where did you come from? We were flying overhead when we hit a mountain. You can fly? Of course I can fly! It's you. You're the chosen one. The what? The chosen one. Legend tells one of a day when a winged bird will fall from above and bring peace and prosperity to our penguin village. I did fall from the sky. I do like peace. Scratch, scratch. Yep, that is definitely me. My name is the Rocky. It is an honor to meet you. So this is what death feels like. So cold and everything's white. That's because you're lying in the snow. And I'm turning blue! Squirrel, you've always been blue. You don't even have a scratch. Oh, what do you know? Come on, come. I must let the chief know that the chosen one has arrived. Wait, what? Who's the chosen one? Row! What was that? Hey guys, wait for me! Welcome to my village. We have lived here for many freezes. It's nice. Hi, hello ladies. How are ya? Working hard or hardly working? You sure do eat a lot of fish. Oh, the fish. Oh, it isn't for us. Whoa! Don't worry, I'm the chosen one. I'm here to help you. Are you okay? Is that really him? It is. Saving the day, one penguin at a time. If this isn't for you, then who is it for? The fish is for Bow. Splash! What was that? That's the great whale. He's eating most of the fish we catch. And in exchange, he doesn't eat us. It seems fair. Maybe, but our life would be much easier if we could just swim and fish in the bay. The chief has been looking for you. Thanks for the warning. Father, I have good news. Where have you been? You know you're not supposed to go outside the safety of the village alone. I'm capable of taking care of myself. No, you're not. Ugh, never mind. Thought you'd like to know that I found a chosen one. So, is this the chosen one? Of the pointy hat? Yes, he fell from above just as the legend foretold. And he may have landed on his head. This looks like a mighty warrior. Well, we can't judge a bird by its beak. After all, I'm a master of the bird food. Not to be confessed with the bird flu. Prepare to be amazed. Wah, cha, hi-ya. Flippy flop, can't stop. Upside down, right side up. Now you see me, now you don't. Fly like a bird, sting like a bee. You are the chosen one. Whoa, no way, it's really him. In 2 days, the moon will be full, and the chosen one will use his mighty spirit to free us from the great whale once and for all. Woohoo! Yeah, freedom! Free you from the great whale. How is he going to do that? Easy. Choose one defeats the great whale in battle. Battle? He has to fight that thing? The only way. Ah, nuts! 3 cheers for the chosen one! Hooray! 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 Thanks for the ride. We have to get out of here. There's no way you can defeat that whale, right? And we're just sticking out. Remember that old man goes, there's one wing behind my back. One wing tied behind my back. This isn't a game. You are putting yourself in serious danger. How is Squirrel gonna find out if Bird is gonna? How is Squirrel ever gonna find out if Bird is going to defeat the whale, or just be gobbled up to be whale food? Yawn. Good morning, Squirrel. Sleep well. How do you think my new chosen one sculpture? Pretty great, huh? The first one wasn't mighty enough, so I had them to make a big one. Hey, where are you going? Find rats. Come on, stay here and I can ask them to carve a tiny statue of you. I'll be holding my drink. No thanks. Good morning, Squirrel. Gah! Are you okay? Oh yeah, fine. It's just a mild heart attack. I'm on my way to do some target practice. Do you want to come along? Sure. Listen, I'm really worried about Bert. He's going to be whale food. There's nothing to worry about. The legend clearly states that the chosen one defeats the great whale and becomes a hero. I promise everything is going to be fine. I hope you're right. You just need to relax. Here, give it a try. It always works for me. Oh no, really, I'll poke my eye out. It's easy. You just aim at the target and throw. Whack. Huh, this does seem pretty easy. Whoa! Cow! Maybe we should try ice fishing instead. This looks like a good spot. How do we fish through ice? First we have to cut a hole in it. Crack! Impressive. You really can take care of yourself. Tell that to my son. He refuses to see me as anything but his precious daughter. He probably just won't want anything bad to happen to you. Maybe, but that's so boring. I want to fish and hunt. I've got a bite! Hurry, pull it up! Huh? Where's my fish? Row! Ow! Ah! Not so fast! Gas, gas, gas! I don't want to have to hurt you. Either go back where you came from or stay here and fight the consequences. Row! Oh, you asked for it! Whack! Oof! Whack! Smack! He got away. It's fine. He's still trying to survive like the rest of us. Everything's always trying to eat me. Everything's always trying to eat something. Couldn't we have taken back to the other way back to the village? Trust me, this way is better. Are you sure it's safe? Yes, it's safe. Look, Squirrel. Wow. Isn't it beautiful? Bow! So, does the old whale ever leave the bay? I'm not sure where the great whale goes when he's not being fed. No one's brave enough to go in the water and find out. It's too bad there isn't a way to get him out. Close up this opening. Don't worry. We don't have to worry about it now that the chosen one is here. Did someone say chosen one? Thanks, boys. I'll walk from here. I think my new ceremonial get up. Pretty cool, right? And wait until you see the best. Ah! Looks like you're ready for the big day. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give that whale a hatcha, and a double kapow. What you're gonna do is go in that ice cold water or while flying. That's right, I forgot. Throwing a big celebration. Oh, that's right. I forgot. They're celebrating a big celebration in my honor, and there's going to be snow cones. Everyone's invited. Don't be late. Late. One time I was walking. A little bird that in the riddle went out of nowhere. I was ambushed, not by one, not two, but 1,200 hungry alligators. No way! Freedom? They had me surrounded, so I had to face them fast. First I zig, then I zag, snap, snap. I was touching every teeth at every turn. You must have been so scared. I was having too much fun to be scared. What happened next? I worked them into such a free feeding frenzy that they ended up eating each other. Snap, 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 snap. And while I sat on the shore and took a nappity nap. Nappy nap. Wow! Woohoo! Freedom! I choose one that's very brave. Or extremely lucky. Would you care for some more fish? Oh, no, thanks. I'm stuffed. No, I insist. The more fish you eat, the stronger your spirit will be. Great whale will not stand a chance. I guess a few more couldn't hurt. Tell us another story. Yeah. There was also a time I saved a turtle from a buffalo stampede. Even later. I think I ate too many fish. If we're going to go through this, shouldn't you at least come up with a plan? I don't need a plan. I'm just going to wing it. Get it? Wing it? Come on, you know when you want to laugh. Maybe you can ask the Rocky Pro. He's really good with spear. Nah, don't need it. Fine, have it yours. If you want to ask the Rocky Pro, then I will. And if I can't find it. Hello, Siraki? Siraki? Sorry, Squirrel. Gas. There you are. What are you doing out so late? I've been looking all over for you guys. I need your help. I just know that bird is going to be killed. You refuse to come up with a plan. I told you, the chosen one defeats the whale. But how do you know it's true? Come on, I'll prove it to you. Where are you taking me? You'll see. Did I mention that I'm terrified of jaggedy rocks and green glowing water? Hello? Oh, looks like nobody's home. Let's see if we come back. Therefore, come in. Welcome. I just realized that I'm scared by the penguins with creepy yellow eyes. Squirrel, do you want to know the truth or not? I have been expecting it. How did you know I was coming? I didn't even know I was coming. I listened to the wind. The fire shall provide the light, you see. Wait, what? I don't understand. One cannot be found until one is lost. Are you sure he's not crazy? You can ask the fire anything, and the answers you seek will appear in the light. Fire will birds feed the whale? Birds going to be fed to the whale! No, that can't be. We have to talk to my father. He'll put a stop to this. One must only look another way to see a different view. Moments later, on what is Saraki? Father, is it true you are planning on feeding birds to the whale? That is none of your concern. Is it true or not? Yes, it's true. We need to choose one's mighty spirit to appetite great whale to appease the great whale appetites once and for all. It is right. It is his sacrifice. You have to stop it. This is good for the village. We won't last another year if we have to keep feeding the whale. There must be another way. You'd rather sacrifice all of us instead? No. This is crazy! If you guys aren't going to tell Bird the truth, then I will. Bud, where do you think you're going? Guards, lock them up after tomorrow's ceremony. No, you can't do this! And make sure the bird stays put. Stay put. Rocky, you have to do something! You can't, Will! You can't let him kill Bird! He doesn't deserve to die! Die! Let me out! Let me out of here! Bow, bow! Bird! 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 It's no use. Scratch. Ah! Switch, switch, switch. Squirrel. Crack! What are you doing here? I'm busting you out. Come on, we have to warn Bird before it's too late. But what about your village? We have to find another way. How am I supposed to get past the guard? I have an idea. Food delivery. The chief wants to make sure to choose what is nice fat from our ceremony. I sure to choose one when I reminded you of you. Ooh, thanks. Bird. No thanks. I'm all fished out. Bird, it's me. You have to get out of here. I'm gonna have a costume party. You're planning on feeding the whale. We're planning on feeding you to the whale. What? So there's no costume party? No, we're going to be whale food. This isn't a joke. Nice try, Squirrel, but I'm not buying it. Not buying what? They're going to feed it to the whale. You're jealous. Is all about, isn't it? You can't just handle that. I'm getting all the attention and you're not. Well, I don't want the attention. What is wrong with you? You're the most self-attentive bird brain I've ever met. You know what? Forget it. You do whatever you want. And here's one last piece of advice. You better figure out a plan because without one, you're not making it out of this village alive. Squirrel, wait. You're not going anywhere. What happened? He didn't believe me. I'm sorry, Squirrel. We'll have to figure something out. I wish there was a way that I could lead out of that stupid whale out of the bay. You'll be a squirrel sickle as soon as you hit the icy water. That's it. I know what we can do. You do? What's the plan? I'll tell you all about it on the way. It doesn't involve me becoming a squirrel sickle, doesn't it? The next morning. Father, what is it now, Siraki? I want to apologize for last night. You were right. I should never have put a life of single above the privacy of the entire village. Would it be okay if I said goodbye to the chosen one? I suppose. Thank you, Father. Operation Squirrel Cycle is called. Good luck, don't you too. Whoa, what happened here? Scratch. I've been racking my brain all night trying to figure out a plan. Scratch. I've got nothing. I just don't know what to do. I need your help. Not one can be found until one is lost. Huh? What? Never mind. Squirrel and I have a plan. We need to work together. Can you do that? You betcha! I'm the perfect wingman. Just tell me what I need to do. Later. The moment has waited, for it's upon us. Woohoo! Yeah! Freedom! On this day, folk will no longer live in fear of the great whale. The time has come for the chosen one's mighty spirit to soar. Show that whale who's boss! We love you, chosen one! Yay! Wee! Bow! Help him fulfill his destiny. No, Father, I will fulfill his destiny. Siraki, what are you doing? What? Where's the chosen one? I choose to take Bird's place. This is not his sacrifice. It's mine. No! Meanwhile, scrape. That should be good enough. Come on, Siraki. Bird, is that you? Row! Gasp! Smack! Oof! Quick! Hi-ya! Row! Ah! Crack! The rock! Smash! We have to find something to hit this knife! Here, help me with this. Row! Crack! Row! Crack! Run! Rumble! We're not going to make it! Splash! We made it! What about Siraki? Where is she? I don't see her! Check me out somewhere! Squirrel, you can't go down there! Help me look for her! I have to find her! Nothing we can do, but she's gone. Aren't you guys going to wait for me? You're alive! Zip! Are you okay? Nothing broken? I'm fine. The only thing broken is my spear. Is that the only thing? Let's not forget the bridge that Squirrel destroyed. Freedom! Woohoo! Clap, clap. We're safe! Way to go! You did it! Careful now. Great whale is gone for good! Yay! Higher! Shh! Here comes the teeth. Uh-oh. I'm sorry, Father. I had to do it. No, Siraki. I am sorry. I failed you as a fighter and a chief. You were the only one. You were only doing what you thought was best for the village. I should have listened to you. You have a mighty heart and you have a mighty spirit and an even mightier heart. You are the true chosen one. Sniff, sniff. Are you crying? Sniff. What? I may be bird, brain, but I still have a heart. Let's celebrate! Oh yeah, snow cones for everyone, and he's back! The next morning, are you sure you two can stay a little longer? Now we should start heading home. We cannot thank you enough for all you have done. Come back anytime. No worries, Big Chief. This is one of the best places I've ever crashed into. I could have done it without you. It was a team effort. Thank you. You better take good care of this guy. Are you kidding? I died without him. You have been found. Yeah, I guess I have. Bye. Have a safe flight. We will. Take care. Bye. See ya. Splash. Are you sure you know where you're going this time? Of course, my bird senses are never wrong. Ugh. I asked the Rocky for directions. The end. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time. Please make sure to like and subscribe or add a comment. Please make sure to like and subscribe and please add a comment. Okay, so bye bye.